Hello everyone, my name is Aram. I'm a professional graphic designer and animator from Casablanca, Morocco, and I will be your instructor for this Photoshop introduction course. So this course is for anyone who wants to learn the 1,000 tools available in Photoshop and to master the wide range of possibilities to create image-based work. So this course was designed for absolute beginners. So whether you never used Photoshop before or you've been using Photoshop for a couple of months but you still don't know what you're doing, this course is for you. You will be able to create your first project in record time and with excellent results. So here is what you're gonna learn by enrolling. In the first section of the course, you will start by mastering the layout, the documents management, the layers, the selection, and the application of masks. This first section is very important because without understanding the basics, you cannot build a solid knowledge of the program. And also, it will help you learn other Adobe programs like Illustrator and InDesign in case you decide to. Then in the second section of the course, you will learn everything related to the resolution, the size, and develop skills in changing, reshaping, and correcting the images exactly how you want to create your own compositions. In the third section of the course, you will become the brush master. You will learn everything from working with the brush tool to creating your own brush presets and exporting them to either sell them or share them with the world. The fourth section will be about learning all the retouching tools to clean and create images professionally, combining both manually and automated retouching methods to produce photorealistic edits. And finally, you will learn how to work with the adjustment layers to control the lights, shadows, and colors of an image efficiently.